school is calm because what I do presently, it's actually not related to school. So all the years I spent in school, I can't say it's a waste, but it's looking like it. So that's why I have to just summon it up that school is calm.
I don't think school is calm. It's just the system.
No, school is not calm. The fact that I'm here doing my NYS proves that school is not calm.
I don't believe school is calm because there are lots of things you learn from school. School is not just about the certificate, it's not just about learning a professional course, but there are also things you learn from school. There's character building and other benefits you get from school. It's just that the educational system now is bad. So school is not calm. Still gain a lot from school. You gain character building, you get lots of friends, you create long-lasting relationships from school too.
No, I don't think school is calm. I just think the system is poor. And that is why we're facing challenges rather.
School is just a place of learning. The most important thing here is education. Education is not a scam. Thank you. My name is Godson Chipson.
Well, school is not entirely scam because through school I got involved in networking and I was able to learn some character and behavior from persons that I find myself in. But just that in this Nigeria, after passing through school, if you don't know anybody, you can't get a job. So apart from the job aspect, the other aspect like the character aspect is actually okay.
For me, I would say school is not
Why?
because I benefited a lot from school, although sometimes it is because of some experience that I had in school. You know, sometimes you just look at yourself and say, am I, did I have two heads? Like, what is happening? But I know within myself that school is not calm.
Okay, no, school is not calm.
Why?
Okay, one reason is because I'm a product of school, and if there is no school, I don't think the educational sector should still be ongoing. So, for my own opinion, school is not scam.
School is not a scam. Why? Yeah, because in every aspect you see, even if you feel that you have your experience, the whole experience you have in life, you understand without going to school. But when you go to school, it improves that experience which you have and then exposes you to a lot of things. And the kind of things you can learn in school, which you cannot get outside when it comes to character and the rest, you understand? So school can never be a scam. The only thing is that the system or when I say the country where we find ourselves, our system of education is not really, you understand, it's not really it's not in a good shape, you understand, corruption and the rest, you understand. So that's why I feel some people when they go to school, they don't get what they want and then they feel school is scam. But no, school is not scam, okay? It's really, really important to a human, all right? Really, really important. And so if you get an education or school, whatever, it's going to improve that what you already have. You understand, the knowledge you have and the rest, and then exposure, and then connect you with people, you understand. And not only people, it connects you with other things in the world. So it can never be a scam for me, never.
No, I don't think school is calm, but I feel the schooling system in Nigeria is totally not worth it, but school is not calm.